have been using macOS for about 2 months now, and I've realized there are a lot of tools that a new user wouldn't know how to do without either googling them or accidentally hitting a couple of keys. Today I'm here to show you a couple of tricks that will assist you in your productivity and workflow and enjoying macOS as a whole. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so, and let's get started. For example, a thing that I recently learned was that when you have a couple windows open in one app and you want to view all the windows, all you have to do is hard press or haptic with full force press on that app icon. Yeah, as you can see, it shows 3 windows, though ordinarily when you just click on it once, it just shows one, and when you click on it multiple times, nothing happens. Another one is covered when you have a picture and you want to get the background out of the main picture. What you have to do is just right click on the picture, all the quick actions, remove background. Yeah, as you can see, we now have the girl without the background. Yeah, now if we get rid of her, yep, and then we hit option and brightness key, it's going to bring up display settings where you can either adjust your screen or reduce it. Yep. So something else we have here is that we can also open a couple final windows. Okay. Yeah. And then if you want to switch in between final windows, all you have to do is hit command until the because it switches between the 3 of them. And another thing is where you go to window and then we merge all windows together, and if you want to switch in between the tabs, we can just do control tab. Yeah, that switches between the 3 tabs we have open. Okay, now those were useful hacks, but what's even more useful is being able to get here in your Chrome browser, highlight the link and drag it to your desktop. Yeah, and it follows the shortcut instantly on your desktop. If you like, you could change the view options and then you could like mess around with the icon. Yeah. Now, what happens when we have a couple Safari windows open? Yeah, and then you want to hit still all of them. All you have to do is hit control and down arrow. Yeah, this shows every single app you have open, every single tab, you have open. This is different from mission control because this shows just the browser windows, not your apps. Yeah. Perfect then. So yeah, now if you have ever wanted to delete words from the other way around, not the usual backward way, all you have to hit is function and delete. Yeah, you can see this is on the other way around. Perfect. Alright, so when you have a bunch of pictures on your desktop and you also quick look all of them, all you have to do is tap one, hit on spacebar and use the arrows up and down. Yeah, this lets you like preview all of them. Isn't that right? Now, if you got them in a list view and you also preview all of them, all you have to do is basically highlight the entire list. The last item, hit spacebar on it, and then use the up and down arrows. Yeah, works like a charm. If you're tired of the Safari's YouTube always autoplaying stuff and you want to disable autoplay for YouTube, all you have to do is be on Safari, hit and go to settings for YouTube.com. Now, in autoplay settings, put never autoplay. And now, when you select a video and open it a new tab, you will see that it's going to start out post. It's not going to play. Yeah, you can see it starts out as post. Perfect. Alright, so we are back to the whole image situation. What happens if I want to view the infos of, let's say, the first rows of pictures. Obviously, I'll highlight them while I press Command plus I. Yeah. Now this shows every single info basically, and this is no good for anyone. Yeah. So the trouble of kicking them all out. But let's say we want to view the collective infos for all of them. Now all you do is hit Control, Command, and I. Now this shows for 12 items collectively and the collective infos. Very convenient. And speaking of space, the next tip has, well, nothing to do with it. If you hit Command Shift A in your browser, you can easily scroll through your open tabs. Perfect. And in the Finder, if you hit Command 1 or 2, it's going to toggle in between Grid View and List View. Very fast. Now, if you're browsing your folders and you have folders, these folders within one further folder, all you have to do is hit Option and the down arrow. Yep, and this instantly expands every single folder for that further folder. Now, when you have an external drive connected externally, obviously, instead of hitting right click and then eject, you could just hit Ctrl E or Command E, sorry. Yeah, that's instantly ejected. Now, when you take a screenshot with Command Shift and 4, when you want to copy it to your clipboard, all you have to do is right click and hit Save to Clipboard. That won't save it on your desktop, that will take you straight to your clipboard. But if you want to do the same thing, but you want to straight copy it to your clipboard without having to right click, all you have to do is repeat the same thing while holding Control, so Control, Command, Shift, and 4. Okay. Yeah, you can see straight to the clipboard. Another cool thing I want to show you is that if you are in Notes and then you write something and you want to highlight a link or you want to hide a link inside it, all you want to do is hit Command K. Yeah. So let's just say www.google.com. Yeah, you can see this has a command link. When you hit it, it opens up google.com. Alright. I hope these tips were helpful to someone out there, and I'll see you in the next one. I heard you out.